A quite simple question to solve for this. Okay, we're still going to use the principle of BODMAS. Okay, what's the principle of BODMAS? BODMAS, let's write it here. BODMAS. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, that's great. Let's take a look at this one. What we're going to do is we are going to separate this into two different parts. Okay, and so you're going to be taking the numerator, that is 12, divided by 2 times 5. Okay, solving this, you are going to take the principle of BODMAS, that is division. 12 divided by 2, you are going to have 6, and 6 times 5 is equals to 30. Hence, you are going to be having 6 times 5 divided by 2. From here, you can directly do it and have a 3 here. 3 times 5, that will be 15. Or you can multiply to have 30 divided by 2. That is still a 15. And actually, our answer is A. Okay. What if another guy did but the wrong way? That is 2 times 5. You're going to be having 10. 12 divided by 10. You're going to be having 1.2 divided by 2. That is extremely wrong. That is extremely wrong. You need to follow the order of operation. That is the method of BODMAS. Hope you understood what happened here. Thank you for watching this video.